Allocating funds in mutual funds involves distributing your investment across different types of funds to achieve diversification and align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Here's a guide. Define financial goals. Clearly outline your financial objectives, whether they are long-term wealth accumulation, retirement planning, or short-term goals like buying a house. Assess risk tolerance. Understand your risk tolerance and investment horizon. This influences the types of mutual funds you choose. Understand mutual fund categories. Learn about various mutual fund categories, including equity funds, debt funds, hybrid funds, and thematic funds. Each category has a different risk-return profile. Diversify across asset classes. Allocate funds across different asset classes to spread risk. A diversified portfolio may include equity, debt, and hybrid funds. Choose specific funds. Within each category, select specific funds based on factors like fund performance, expense ratios, and fund manager track record. Set allocation percentages. Determine the percentage of your portfolio to allocate to each type of fund. This depends on your risk appetite and investment goals. Regularly rebalance. Periodically review your portfolio and rebalance it if needed. Changes in market conditions or your financial situation may require adjustments. Monitor fund performance. Keep a close eye on the performance of your mutual funds. Regularly review fund reports and market trends. Systematic investment plan. Consider using SIPs for disciplined and regular investing. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount at regular intervals. Consult financial advisor. If needed, seek advice from a financial advisor to tailor your mutual fund allocation strategy to your unique circumstances.